guys experience those days wherein you just know it just isn't your day? Do you feel like that's often the case and that considering yourself a not a morning person is the easiest way to go? Well, here at How to Be, we have 6 tips on how you can start your day happy and healthy. All day, every day. Everyone approaches their mornings differently. Some people wake up excited to start their day, others like to ease into their day more gradually. No matter how you like to start your morning, there are things you can do to ensure every day gets off to a great start. Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and click the bell to access more of our videos. Let's begin. Number 1. Affirmation is the key. Happy people begin each day anew. They wake up with the mindset that each day is a new beginning, a chance to move forward and not let past failures weigh them down. Yesterday may have been a rotten day, but that doesn't mean today has to be. They start their day with an affirmation. They declare from the outset how they want their day to go. A positive morning affirmation can be a powerful way to start your day feeling confident and ready for success. Examples include, I have the knowledge to make smart decisions for myself. I am and will always be enough. I let go of any negative feelings about myself on my life and accept all that is good. I am courageous and I am willing to act and face my fears. Number 2. Pay attention to what you do. Happy people don't frantically tear around trying to get ready at breakneck speed and then rush out the door, already late for the first meeting or appointment of the day. Doing this will set you up for feeling stressed out and harried all day long. Starting the day with a contented and peaceful attitude requires you to have time to wake up properly and to get ready at a calm and measured pace. Happy people tend to keep their routines simple and manageable. A complex routine is hard to stick to and can leave you feeling anxious and exasperated first thing in the morning. Cut out multitasking and reject unneeded distractions, like checking and returning email while trying to get ready. Do one thing at a time. Keep your morning uncomplicated and as stress-free as possible so you'll set yourself up to be in a good mood all day long. Number 3. Time to self-care. Brush your teeth and take a bath to feel clean and rejuvenated. Make sure to eat a hearty breakfast too. An empty tummy can really ruin your day, and you don't want that. Eating breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism and gets your body and mind prepped for a busy day. Research has found that breakfast eaters have better diets and consume more fruit and vegetables than those who don't eat breakfast. Number 4. Make your bed. It may sound silly, but beginning your day by making your bed can set you up for feeling ready to take on the world. According to one survey of 2,000 Americans, bed makers tend to be adventurous, confident, and sociable. People who don't make their beds tend to be shy, moody, and sarcastic. Many successful people recommend making your bed as a simple way to start the day off on the right foot. For example, Tim Ferriss has said that the simple act of bed making teaches us that it's the little things in life that matter. Number 5. Set goals for the day. Happy people often have a sense of purpose. They aren't wandering aimlessly through life. They work each day to make progress and accomplish their tasks. It feels satisfying to have set priorities for yourself and strive to meet milestones. Happy people make sure they begin their day by setting goals for themselves. What do you want to accomplish today? What is the most efficient and most effective use of your time? Make it a point to spend a few minutes each morning determining what you want to do that day. Be sure to think through your to-do list carefully. Often, we spend too much time on things that aren't really important. Focus on what matters and make sure you're scheduling downtime. After all, the secret to lasting happiness is finding ways to enjoy each day in its entirety. And last but not the least, number 6, exercise and meditate. Daily meditation, whether it's a quick 5-minute practice or a lengthier session, can help create a contented and happy mind. Spending time meditating each morning improves focus, increases self-esteem and confidence, and quiets the cacophony of mental angst and turbulence we are constantly contending with. We can meditate at any time of the day, but it's best to do it in the morning so you're sure to get it in, and so you can benefit from its effects throughout the day. Morning exercise, on the other hand, gets your blood flowing and gives you a boost of energy for the day. Exercise also releases feel-good brain chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These may buffer feelings of stress and anxiety and help relieve symptoms of depression. Research has shown that working out improves how we feel about our bodies and gives us a sense of well-being. With all these tips, we're pretty sure your days are going to be productive and filled with fun. Let's all try these steps together and see the results. Please leave a comment right after if these steps helped. Make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so we can all do it together. And hit the notification bell to access more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.